Okay, welcome everyone to this iOS 26 beta. I installed it on my 12 mini. I'm currently filming this using my 16 Pro Max, and there was no way I was gonna download a unstable beta on my primary phone. So here it is. It literally just finished updating, and this is the little hello, the liquid glass hello that comes up. So let's see. So of course I need to enter my password right when I log in, and you can see the liquid glass type. Let me see. You point it down a little bit. Okay, there it goes. Perfect. It kind of doesn't even look like it. I'm a millennial, so anyone out there who's my age, around 30, 31, do you remember when you were younger and these little plastic discs were used when we play board games in class? These look exactly like this. Interesting. Okay, I'm gonna put in my password very quick. Software update complete. Okay. Yes, I will send all that stuff. Swipe up to get started. So if anyone is interested, before I get into the nitty gritty, I downloaded it via the Apple developer app, and anyone could download this if you have an iPhone. All you do is go in here, go to this account tab, sign in, and then you want to go to settings. Let me pull up very quick so you guys don't see my personal information, and then general, and then software, and then, well, it's not showing now, but there was a little tab right here saying beta program, and then you can just click that. It's a super simple setup, and yeah, the short video is just about the aesthetics of the iOS 26, the new changes. And as you could see, this glass-like folder. It doesn't have that big of a difference with non-native apps, third-party apps. Obviously, the settings app looks different. The voice memos app doesn't really look that much different other than, you know, the shape of it. The same with here on the bottom. Yeah, there's an obvious difference, but enough to go crazy about. I don't really know. Anything else that looks different on this front screen? Not really. Okay, so let's go here. And this is probably, oh, I'm trying to get the glare. I'm like getting a bunch of glare. Sorry, guys. I might have to zoom in for this. Okay, so this is the control center. Now this looks like whatever they were going for. Liquid glass. They should have called it bubble glass. I don't know how you could look at this and not immediately think of bubbles. Interesting. Here's the now playing. I'm watching Analyze This on the TV. If you haven't seen that movie, definitely watch it. It's super funny. Here's more control center stuff. So yeah, I think a lot of people are probably going to either love these new changes or hate them. So let's see. So add widget, customize, edit wallpaper, edit pages. So let's do customize. So here on the bottom, and let's do clear. And I think this is probably the most fascinating part of iOS 26. It does, I don't know, this kind of, actually, I don't know. Let me take that back. Because it reminds me of the tints on iOS 18 that we're on right now. As you could see on third-party apps, it doesn't look so hot. My little Bonbon Gain or Finch, it kind of just looks like a black and white cloudy version of the app. Like, these apps look really nice. The Safari, Gmail, settings, voice memo, these all look really nice. But let's see what else. Let's see the other the new tints. So let's see tints. And one of my biggest problems with, oh wait, is this also clear? No. Interesting. How do I do default? Okay, and then tinted. Interesting. Okay. So one of my biggest problems about the tints that they implemented in iOS 18 is just how it's just very not great. Okay, looks like the little, uh-oh, I think I'm frozen. Oh no! Okay, let's try that again. This is why I didn't want to download it on my 16 Pro. Okay, there we go. So let's try to get a interesting colors going on. What about white? Oh, white is, I guess, clear. Let's see. Ooh, the green is looking good. I can't tell if like it's showing properly on my phone. It could just be my screen. These greens are looking good. But as I was saying, the tint in iOS 18 is just horrendous. I don't understand the force of going into dark mode to apply the tints. Yeah, all these colors are really nice now. This teal color is really nice. Blue is really nice. But I don't understand why they're applying clear to the tint now. Ooh, purple is super pretty. So they kind of went from one end of the spectrum to the next one. Okay, so let's check actual dark. Ooh, yeah, see, this is 100 times better than what they have now. Yeah, see, this is a true blue compared to, if you're on iOS 18, do a blue tint and then compare it to this. Yeah, these are all really nice. And a lot of people are probably wondering, people who have been with Apple for a really long time are probably kind of like a so what, but when you come from Android, even for the 4 or 5 years I was on Android and then I come to this, iOS is so boring. Look at it, kind of messed up again. Oh yeah, oh, and it's got a little bug here. Maybe I could revert that back. Uh-oh. So let's go customize and let's go default. Default. Okay, so I am on iMessage now, and these are the backgrounds that you do on your Photos app. Swipe between styles. Okay, let's see if I can do this without freezing. An interesting thing about this is that it's moving, which is kind of cool. I don't understand what they meant though by everyone will see this. So when my mom is on Android, will it kind of glitch out for her? Or she won't see anything at all. So let me go back. Let me see what else is going on. Aurora. Let's see, water. Sorry for the quality of this video. I got a perfect sunbeam on my headed right into my face and my phone area, so got a lot of glare. Oh, I might do this. This is kind of cool. Okay, so let me do this. Let's see what's going on. As you can see, it's kind of pretty buggy. Okay, so this is it. This is a text to myself. Yes, I told myself to get bagel stuff, to make homemade bagels. So let's see. So it is a little slow. Why is it on dark mode? Oh, what's going on? How do I go back? Okay, so for some reason it went to dark mode. Am I on dark mode? Oh my god. Okay, I might need to maybe wait until 26.1 comes out, because this is kind of like super buggy. Uh-oh. Okay, no, shoot. I'm trying to just see if I'm on dark mode. I don't think I am. Dark mode off, okay. Oh, let me turn off, maybe that's why I looked. Let me turn this off. Ugh. I'm not going to edit any of this, so skip around. Feel free to skip around. Okay, so this isn't working. I don't know why it's not, I'm not sure why it's a dark mode keyboard. But let's see, anything new here? Oh, just the polls. Send later sometimes works and sometimes doesn't. Let's see, today 4:39. Yo. So that's the sucky thing about send later. It's just, I don't understand what's going on with this. Okay, send later. Anyway, that's maybe for another video. Okay, let's check out this front screen very quick. I mean the lock screen. Customize. Customize. Okay. That's kind of cool, but what's going on with this stuff down here? Does it fall to the bottom? The widgets fall to the bottom? Interesting. Okay, it's kind of cool. Could change it. Glass or solid. Okay, let's see. Glass blue. Okay, I like it. I like it. This isn't glass though. This is like a weird neon. Okay, interesting. Suggestions, no events today. I think this is all the same. Widgets, I'm assuming they're all the same. Okay, I'm actually gonna leave it here because I have to pee really, really bad. And I'm an old lady, so I don't know how long I could hold it in for. So that's a quick preview of iOS 26 on the iPhone 12 mini. You guys could see how kind of buggy it is. WWDC did just end about like 5 hours ago, so I don't expect this to be any more polished than it is. But I encourage everyone to try it. If you have an iPhone, download the developer app, and yeah, more to come. And thanks for watching. Okay, I'm back very quick just to show the camera app changes, which I completely forgot about. So this is how it looks. Video, photo. Let's go video. And okay, what now? How do I, what? What's going on? Okay, maybe this will be a separate part because I don't know what's going on. Where do I get the stuff? Is this interesting? I don't know if I like that. It's kind of just making everything more harder to access, just for aesthetic reasons. So you have to click your preference right here, and then at the top right here, oh, and then this stuff comes up, and then flash. I don't know. I guess it's simpler, but it's not as easy to navigate though. Okay, I'll officially end it here, and let me know what you guys think or what you want me to dive into more on the next go around, next iOS 26 video. This iPhone is really hot, so I'm gonna put it down.